Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and in this video we are going to cover the delegation part, or in other words we can say that assigning a user mailbox to a different user. So for that, let's navigate to our Exchange Admin Center. Again, then let's go to Mailbox and then select any user. So I'll select this user Grady. Okay, I want that this user's mailbox uh, can be accessible by a different user. Let's suppose Skelly, there is one user, Skelly. I want to assign this permission, this user mailbox permission to that Skelly user because this user is not available. So I want that Skelly should manage the mailbox for this user for time being. So in order to do that, I'll just open the mailbox. I'll go to delegation and I will go to read and manage. I will give full permission to this account. Okay, select Scaly. I will select this. So now this user will be able to manage the mailbox with this user. It means that Scaly can send message in the inbox for this user Grady. Okay, can delete the message, can read the message, can reply, and can do the reply all. So it means that Scaly will become the owner for this mailbox. Okay. So in order to access the mailbox with this user, let's open the account from Scaly and send on behalf and send as. I've already covered that in a different video. So that was on email enabled security group. So I've already covered a video wherein I have shown in detail that how you can use send as and send on behalf on a mail enabled security group. So it will work in the same manner. That video is added into my playlist. You can go ahead and check that how to manage mail enabled security groups. Okay, so this delegation part. Okay, and still you need any help, so leave your doubts in the comment and I'm happy to answer. And let's get back to the topic. We have given full access permission on this user Grady. Okay, and we will be accessing this user account from Scaly. So I have this Scaly account is already opened. So this is the outlook for that user Scaly, and let's open. Okay, let's open this. I'll go to open another mailbox. I'll click on it and I will just paste the username. Okay, and I will hit open. So the moment I will hit open, it will actually look into the mailbox for this user and start working on it. I mean, I can start working on it. You can see on the top it says Grady. However, the user is Scaly. Okay, so this is how the delegation is done. Now, if you want, you can reply all, or you can create a new message. You can delete this. You can do whatever you want. So that's conclude the video. And if you have any doubts, so leave your doubts in the comment. I'm happy to answer them. And see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.